one way you can learn to grow your wealth, okay, through investment, okay, is actually to be passive, right? So what do I mean passive? Because most people, when they learn to invest in something, right, sometimes people, they have anxiousness when they invest, which means when they are invested in something, they worry that something might come up, okay, some crisis may come, things like that. They decided to sell off their position, right? But what's important is this concept, which is called I don't really say many people popularize this concept, but I say don't really need to touch your portfolio that much. Okay, most people will say this is something like a long-term kind of an investment, therefore no touch portfolio. So I do find that having a no touch portfolio is an extremely important thing if you want to grow your wealth, which means no touch portfolio, it comprises of the initial capital that you have invested in something that you believe, an asset that might appreciate in its price. So you put your money in it, right? You don't really touch them at all, right? After that, you can really like divest from it. You can move elsewhere with your new source of money, right? Which means you can start to explore diversification. Now, if you have that money, slowly you can, of course, speculate on some growth stocks, things like that. Make your portfolio grow, okay, higher than the average price. I mean, higher than the market, the S&P 500 itself. Okay, so if you have a conservative kind of a approach to investment, all right, you can invest most of your money. Okay, I won't say most, it depends on your risk tolerance. Invest in the S&P 500 index fund. Okay, the rest of it you can slowly move to elsewhere. Maybe start to speculate on some growth stocks, do a lot of due diligence, homeworks, okay, read on the companies that you think you are highly convicted to invest in. Okay, once you have gotten a conviction to invest, start buying into the share. Initially, start buying into 1, 2, 3 share, 4, 5. After that, slowly increase your position as your conviction grows in the company. So to be passive means having a fund, okay, having a portfolio, okay, depends. Maybe if it's 50%, then it's 50%. Where you do not really move that money at all, that is your portfolio. That is your 10x portion of your portfolio. So you get what I mean? So take that portfolio, just let it cruise for a few decades to come. And that's how you grow wealth, having a passive investment style of an approach. Peace.